Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 3 incredible celebrations, happening on March 20th. From spreading joy, to indulging in tasty treats, this day has something for everyone. And that are perfect opportunities to gift someone, even without a special reason. But wait, if these gifts are too late, and you missed out on this opportunity, don't worry. We've got something special for you in 2 weeks, and even more exciting events next month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. Let's jump right in. First up, it's the International Day of Happiness. This global celebration reminds us to prioritize happiness and well-being. People share acts of kindness, gratitude, and positivity. A thoughtful gift for this day could be a gratitude journal, or a self-care kit, to help someone focus on their happiness. What's one thing that makes you happy? Drop it in the comments below, I'd love to know. Next, foodies, it's National Ravioli Day. This day is all about celebrating the deliciousness of ravioli, whether it's stuffed with cheese, mushrooms, or even chocolate. A perfect gift could be a ravioli-making kit, or a gourmet pasta set. What's your favorite ravioli filling? Let me know in the comments. I'm always looking for new ideas to try. Enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on more amazing content. And hey, share this video with your friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's the spring equinox. This marks the official start of spring, with day and night being equal in length. People celebrate by planting flowers, enjoying nature, and welcoming new beginnings. A great gift idea could be a plant, or a gardening kit, to embrace the season. What's your favorite way to celebrate spring? Share your thoughts in the comments, I'd love to hear them. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, and in one of the next videos, the weekly upcoming events, celebrations of the first April week, and the same days of May, so you will get the right gift ideas early. Thanks for tuning in everyone. We'll see you next time with more exciting celebrations and unique holidays. Stay awesome.